just use a fencing brush now to apply the two-part epoxy resin.
It's actually a block brush.
I don't care what it is.
Masonry block brush, or whatever you know.
What are you brushing? What are you putting on the block?
A two-part epoxy resin.
What, just to glue your blocks together?
No, I want to glue artificial turf to the blocks.
It's not in America, mate. This ain't techno block.
Making artificial.
You're not Sean.
Artificial living
You're
wall.
not Sean. You don't get to do
but
no
if there's anyone out there that has a brick wall like this, maybe a block wall.
Can we paint this on
you
it?
Want me to cover it with two-part epoxy resin and glue some artificial turf to it to make an artificial living wall?
I mean, I'm sure
that's patented, by the way.
There's some clients of mine from before I joined Matipo that have got loads of epoxy resin on theirs.
Probably, yeah.
Probably.
So that's our job today.
So this is a bit of the process. So if you get a bit on the brush, as I've done here, just let your excess off. And then I usually go left, predominantly. And then anything you feel like you've missed, you can come back through on the right.
That's good, he's learning.
Like that. Amazing. Learning? I taught you, kid. You said, how'd you do that? How'd you get it?
I said, what's left, what's right?
He was just putting big dollops on it, and like, oh, it's like spotting a slab. Another thing I had to teach him not to do.
Oh my goodness.
No, that I would never actually. That's a joke. George never laid on spots.
No.
So let's stop talking about it. Why are we still talking about it?
I don't know. We've got the jointing tape ready here. Anyway, better give Jack a hand cleaning off the mess he's made.
Actually, been pretty clean.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good lad.
All of the artificial turf is glued and the joint has been completed.
Have you seen we've had a working plan to go off? I think Jack's shown you the visual madnesses. Yeah?
The similarities.
So this is the project we've... Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Wait for it, the classic.
Double reality! It was awesome to have this plan to work off of. We're all finished now. Patented, on face, sleeper retaining wall.
Beautiful box here, raised exactly as the plan shows. You can see it here, right there. That is a herb box, and that is what you can see in front of you.
Lined up screws.
Oh, carrying on, people. We're moving up the garden. What else have we got? Some beautiful blue engineering brick masonry stairs with bullnose steps.
Battery's running a bit low, so we just thought we'd go through this quick time.
And a nice stick.
Camera's about to die, sorry about mate.
That. Boom.
So we've got one more before year's over.
Yeah, but yeah, all in all, it's been a brilliant project.
Yeah, another job done. So as always, make sure to like, comment and subscribe.